Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at health tech. Specifically, we're going to take a look at massage therapy technology. You've probably seen something like this. These things can be super intimidating, but they can also be super good for you. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at this product and how its AI technology makes massage therapy at home super easy. Let's get right to it. Now, I received the pre-production version of this model to test, and what you'll receive is the massage therapy tool, and then you'll have each one of these tips with a charger. Now, the device itself is going to last around 10 hours of usage, and the cool thing about this, as I mentioned, is the fact that it has AI technology and a display that's going to tell you exactly where you should use it, how long you should use it, and what tip you're using. Now, charging the device is pretty simple. All you have to do is plug it in here with the included adapter, and this is your power button. It's convenient, it's easy to hold, it's really not that heavy at all, and again, you have this display here that's going to tell you everything you have to do. Now, one of the things that I didn't know as I was looking at this massage therapy technology, and I have another brand that has lots of tips, and I've never used the tips. I've gone for this one. This is the one that everybody uses because this is the one that we know and we've seen. But I really didn't realize that some of these tips are designed to work with specific parts of the body. For example, if you were to look at any of these tips, would you know which one is used for your abdomen? Would you know which one is used for your leg? Would you know which one is used for, let's say, your calf? Or how about which one should you use on your back? What we all do is we just use one. So the cool thing about this specific solution is that as you insert each tip, you're going to be able to see on the display what part of your body you should use it. Also, what it does is it adjusts the intensity. So this is for the average consumer. Now if you're a massage therapist, you're probably going to want to use this in pro mode, and that's going to allow you to adjust the intensity to what you'd like for your client. Now, in my case, because I'm not a pro, I'm a consumer like most of us are, I enjoy using the AI technology that's going to help me understand as I plug these in which tip should go for what part of my body, and also it automatically sets the intensity for me. Now, let me just show you how, when you power this up, what this thing looks like. So we're going to go ahead and power it up. So what you have is this little LED turns on, and then you can see that this actually turns blue. On the back here, you'll notice there's a couple things going on. Here you have the human body, right? And then you have auto, and then you have an intensity setting. Now I could go again, if I turn off that auto, it's going to allow me to use pro mode. I use the auto mode because I want the intelligence. So notice how it has the human body here, and what will happen is as I insert tips, the tips are going to determine or tell the AI what part of the body that tip is for. So, it will recognize the specific tip. So for example, if I were to grab this tip, what part of the body would you use this in, and I were to plug it in, it's going to indicate on this figure where it should go, and also it's going to set the intensity. Now let me show you how that works. So here I have my tip, and I'm going to insert it here, and you'll notice as soon as I put it in, how it lit up. So see how it's lighting up right now? It was there just for a couple seconds because I haven't inserted it all the way. Let's do that again. See how it's going in? It's telling me, hey, this is the part of the body that you want to use it. So now if I grab this other tip and I were to do the same thing, let's go ahead and bring this one in. You notice how it highlights the abdomen. Would you have known that this is for the abdomen? I can choose this one right here, and then as I put this one in as well, it's going to tell me, hey, that this is for your shoulders and your neck. Who would have thought that this one is for that? And I could go on and on with each one of these. So this is going to give you, again, the best massage therapy solution based on the tip that you use. And what you could do is say, hey, you know what? My neck is kind of kinked where my shoulders are. And then you could just test it like this. Say, is this the one that I want? Hey, this is the one I'm looking for. Let's say you had chosen this guy right here, right? And you basically said, I wonder what this is for. Oh, you know what? This is for my biceps. No, don't want that one. What is this one for? And as soon as I put it in, it basically says, oh, wow, that's for my calves. So if you did go for a run, you could actually plug this in and then give your calves a massage. And again, that's the benefit of this solution, because there's a lot of these solutions out on the market, but the challenge is understanding which tip you should use for what part of your body. So now I've inserted the standard tip that everybody uses because this is the go-to tip. And as we flip this over, you'll notice that it's highlighting, it's indicated my intensity and all the parts of the body that I can use it in. This is kind of like the multi-purpose tip, and you can see it could go anywhere. You'll notice that it has the tip image here. It also indicates my battery level. And then all I would have to do is just power this on and then, go at it at the part of my body that I'd like to use. Now, for those of you who are curious about what's the actual sound like or how much noise you're going to get from the actual therapy solution here from Urikar, I have this tip in, it's running. You can see that the intensity that's there, and you can see the body points that it's indicating that I should place this on. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my body, and you notice that it's sped up. So as soon as it has contact with my body, ooh, that feels good. It is going through, and it's actually intensifying based on the proximity sensors that it has. And, oh, this feels really good. So obviously it's better if you have someone else doing this to you, but as soon as you have contact with your body, it adjusts the intensity, and again, it will slow down again to the standard intensity as soon as it's away from your body. I'm gonna do that again. This is pretty good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna want one of these. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Urikar. Love the fact that it has that AI technology that identifies every tip, and then as you put it closer to your body, it automatically adjusts its speed and intensity. Let me know what you thought about this product in the comment area below.